I'm gonna eat your face. Not a subtle sign. If it was that easy to know when a girl wants you to kiss her, you wouldn't need this video. Unfortunately, it's not that simple because women are crazy. Beautiful, mysterious, and seductive, but crazy. And when it comes to you knowing if she wants to make out with your handsome ass, sometimes you get some mixed messages. Sometimes you think, oh man, yes, this is happening, let's do this. You go in, she jumps back and punches you in the nuts. That just me? Sometimes you just don't get the right vibes, right? And so you leave, you shake her hand, and then you hear from Janice, who talked to Brenda, who was pissed off because you didn't jump her bones. Like I said, crazy. Gentlemen, today, in an attempt to help you knock it out of the makeout park, I'm gonna go over Check that, 7 subtle signs that she wants you to kiss her. All right, gentlemen, so first things first, no self-respecting, sassy senorita will make out with you or want to make out with you if this action is nasty. If your mouth or surrounding areas is nasty, gentlemen, nobody is going to want to make out with you. Trim your mustache hairs to make sure that you don't have stray, nasty hairs going into your lips because, gentlemen, if you want somebody to want to make out with you, you can't have a nasty stash all dangling, hanging in your lips. Speaking of lips, they better be soft. They can't be all chapped and cracked and crusty with little stray pieces of skin. Gentlemen, the solution, Vaseline. Vaseline petroleum jelly is like a make-out miracle ointment, right? A little bit of this on, and you're ready for action. Gentlemen, before you go out on your super hot, spicy date, I would recommend you grab a little Vaseline. You can get one of the travel containers. I keep this in my car. You can also get the big tub, right? And just like a little bit of that. Vaseline is amazing in its ability to keep your lips super fresh and kissably soft. Speaking of fresh, if you got dragon breath, gentlemen, nobody is gonna wanna make out with you. You gotta make sure that your oral hygiene game is super strong. Not like average strong, super strong, which means every single day, twice a day, you need to floss, you need to rinse, and you need to what the fuck's this? Brush with a toothbrush that's actually going to clean your teeth. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Manual toothbrushes are for peasants. Why are you using something so archaic to brush your teeth when there's this, the Towel Clean Sonic Toothbrush, today's video sponsor and the greatest toothbrush in the history of your mouth. This is the Towel Clean Sonic Toothbrush. As you can see, this is not your daddy's toothbrush. This bad boy is the cleanest toothbrush on the market. The reason is because of this little charging station. Inside, you have a UV light that kills 99.9% of the bacteria that's left on your brush. There's also a built-in heater which dries it to reduce the risk of the bacteria coming back. The brush provides 40,000 strokes per minute, which means that your teeth are going to get cleaner and polished. You're actually going to notice a difference in your teeth being whiter using this brush. At least I did. The other thing is that it's got a 2-minute timer, so you know exactly how long to brush. It's got 2 different modes, one for regular and one for sensitive teeth. Gentlemen, if you're ready to upgrade your oral hygiene game and get your teeth and mouth cleaner than it ever has been before, you got to hit our special link down below and go grab a Towel Clean, because right now they're offering you a crazy deal. Regular price $129, but right now for you $49 while supplies last, because they do sell out, guys. So if you're interested, make sure to hit that link. There's also a discount code that's going to give you the discount, 62% off. It comes in white, it comes in silver, it also comes in like a super sexy black. The thing that I love about my Towel Clean Sonic toothbrush is it's waterproof. I can take it in the shower. Gentlemen, hit that link, use that code, get this for $49. Your lips are soft, your mouth is clean, your breath is fresh. Now let's go over the 7 subtle signs that she gives when she wants to make out with you. Starting with number 1, she ignores her phone. She ignores her phone. How many women do you know that when they get a text message, they get a call, they actually will silence their phone or put it away? Exactly, like 0. You're out with a woman and she is not paying attention to her phone. She's not looking at it. She's not worrying about it, guys. This is a telltale sign that she is indeed ready to mount you like a pony. Maybe not yet, but she definitely is into you, because if she's not into you, she's going to be more preoccupied with this as opposed to that. Second subtle sign that she wants you to kiss her. her, she asks you how her breath is. A woman asks you if her breath smells okay, or you see her pop a mint, gentlemen, this means she is getting ready. Knows her breath is fine, it's a trap. She wants you to be like, let me smell, and then all of a sudden, bang, she grabs the back of your head and manhandles you, which is awesome. The third subtle sign that she is indeed wanting you to plant one on her is she gives you the look. She gives you the look. A few things happen. Number one, she shuts up, which is weird, right? She stops talking. She relaxes the bottom part of her mouth. She might actually do a little bit of that action. Yeah, exactly. She's looking at you, serious-like, and then she might actually glance at your lips, and she's looking like bedroom eyes kind of sexy, right? Actually, I don't want to do it. I don't want to seduce you. We don't have that type of relationship. It's just a lot of looking down, a lot of softness in the lips, and she's like, exactly. Which actually brings us to the fourth subtle sign that she wants you to kiss her. She messes or does anything with her lips. Maybe she applies a little chapstick, maybe a little lip gloss, maybe she gives a little bite action, pulling the liver, and a little bite of the finger. Exactly. What she's doing is sending a subliminal message to you to pay attention to her lips, Brian. The fifth subtle sign that she wants you to make out with her is at the end of the night, there's an awkward, like, silence, kind of weird, like, okay, well, exactly. You see that? You know that? Exactly. See it in movies all the time. It's that awkward point at the end of a date or when you're letting somebody out that they're like, okay, well, I really had a good time. Exactly. Shut up and kiss her. The sixth subtle sign that she indeed wants you to kiss her is she invades your face space. She's a face space invader. What happens is this, typically. There you are, hanging out, having a great time, right? You're like, oh my God, that's incredible. And as you talk, she starts like scooting a little bit closer, or she might start touching you a little bit, grabbing your hand and laughing at all of your unfunny jokes. At this point, she thinks, oh, he's obviously gonna realize that I'm ready to make out. But a lot of times, we as dudes don't understand and don't pick up the signs, and we're like, we're really not sure. At this point, she's like, what the hell do I have to do to get this dude to actually plant one right here, right? Exactly. So what she'll do, she'll actually invade your face space, get her face physically closer to you. At this point, if you don't kiss her, she's probably gonna just lick your face. Take it easy. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Last but certainly not least, the seventh subtle sign that she wants you to kiss her is that you are a subscriber to the Alpha M YouTube channel. Here's the deal. If she finds out that you're subscribed here, she's gonna be like, oh my God, he's more of a gentleman than I even realized. The other byproduct of being a subscriber to the Alpha M YouTube channel is that you become freaking undeniably attractive and awesome. And any woman would love to get her dainty little paws on you and that kissably soft mouth.